Hi everyone, I'm Donnie Lowy. I'm here at Closeoutexplosion.com. I want to show you a box of men's dress shirts. These men's dress shirts are out of the plastic. They have all the original labels and tags, so they're in brand new condition. They are overstock dress shirts from a department store. So here's first a Van Heusen, color pink, size 16.5, 34-35. We have here an Eagle men's dress shirt, size 18, which is equivalent of a 2XL. Here's a Sean John men's dress shirt, tailor fit, size 15, 32-33. We have a very elegant looking men's Calvin Klein dress shirt. This is a slim fit. It says infinite color. The original retail price on this men's dress shirt is $79.50. There are many different colors over here. Here is I believe this is a Tommy Hilfiger men's dress shirt. Let's see. Yes, here's a Tommy Hilfiger men's dress shirt, size 15.5, 34-35, which is a medium. Beautiful, beautiful white color shirt. Let's look over here what we have next. Next we have a Calvin Klein men's dress shirt, size 17.5, 36-37, regular fit. Here's a neatly folded men's dress shirt by Sean John, size 16, 34-35. This box over here is approximately about 50 men's dress shirts. Here's another Sean John men's dress shirt, size 17, 34-35. So I see a few of them are in plastic, but most of the dress shirts in this box happen to be out of the original plastic, but they're all in brand new condition. Here's a Tommy Hilfiger men's dress shirt. This is folded, still with the pins in it. Size 14.5, 32-33, so this is a size small. Here we have a Calvin Klein men's dress shirt. Slim fit, Performance 9 iron. Slim fit Steel Plus. Here's a Sean John men's dress shirt, tailored fit. Here's another one that it's in the original plastic. This is a Tommy Hilfiger athletic fit. This one is a size 15, 34-35. It's an original retail price of $79.50. Here we have a Calvin Klein men's dress shirt, 17, 34-35. Here's a Sean John men's dress shirt, size 18, 34-35, which is equivalent, I believe, of a 2XL. Here's another beautiful white men's dress shirt, Tommy Hilfiger. Here is a men's, it's a violet color, Jeffrey Bean, regular fit, wrinkle free. Size 16, 34-35. Oh, the actual color is called Purple Ash. Original retail price, $55. Here's another Tommy Hilfiger men's dress shirt. The sizes range from small to 2XL. Here's a Calvin Klein men's dress shirt. Slim fit large, 34-35. with an original retail price of $79.50. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know. You're welcome to visit. The next time you're in New York, you could send someone on your behalf. My cell phone WhatsApp number is 1917-913-6093, 1917-913-6093. This is a Mark New York men's dress shirt. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing day. And I'm looking forward to doing business with you. I want to add, I found a Van Heusen men's dress shirt with a flex collar. Size 16.5, 34, 35, regular fit. Alright, thank you so much. My website is closeoutexplosion.com.